Christmas is one of the most important celebrations in our culture.
We spend it with our family and it's a symbol of love.
Christmas Miss is a special occasion when we get together with our friends and family and pray for health, happiness, peace and love.
For Christmas we have a special kind of bread. We call it chestnutsa. It contains a gold coin. We all share it, and one who finds golden coin will have a prosperous and good year.
We have a special greeting for Christmas Day,
Hristos se rodi.
which means Christ is born. Vaistinu se rodi, in truth he is born.
The person who first enters the house on Christmas Day is named Položajnik, and he receives a gift from the family living there.
For Christmas, we love preparing and eating comfort food like sarma, prebranac, gibanica, ajvar and kajmak.
In our tradition, Christmas symbolizes the new beginning. So on this day, we are starting new plans, new projects, new jobs, with the believing that we will be successful during the year.
Christmas Miss is a precious time that we use to get around with our friends and family and go together to church to celebrate the Christmas. Christmas Miss is a special occasion when we get together with our friends and family and pray.
We have a
In our tradition, the Christmas represents a new beginning. So, in our tradition, the Christmas symbolizes the day for a new beginning. So, in that day, we're starting new plans, new projects, new.
For Christmas For Christmas we have a special tap.